Peony. Peonies are very common flowers in Europe, China and North America. There are almost 40 different species of peonies. They are so beautiful that they are beautifully used alone in bouquets. Like other flowers we have mentioned, peonies come in a variety of colors: pink, white, fuchsia, etc. General peony season. Peonies bloom between late spring and early summer, but you can plan your garden for a successful display of flowers from mid-May to late June by planting a selection of varieties. There are some choices: early scout, very early blooming, red single flowers. General types of peonies. Peony flower blooms are categorized into 6 types: single, Japanese, anemone, semi-double, bomb, and full double. Many peonies have pink or white flowers, but there are also purple, red, orange, and even yellow peony varieties. Let's discuss some questions about peony. Is peony good for hair? Benefits of white peony for natural hair and hair loss. Promotes immune homeostasis, which allows for the healthy growth of hair. Promotes optimal immune health. The healthier your hair will feel or grow. Limits production of inflammatory molecules. How long does a peony live? With their large glossy leaves and extravagant blooms, peonies look like delicate hothouse flowers, but they are actually sturdy and cold-hardy plants. Few diseases or insect pests bother them when properly planted and cared for. These fragrant plants will live for about 100 years. House beautiful says. Can we eat peony? Highly fragrant and highly showy. These blooms are a treasure among home landscapes, yet one feature of these plants is often overlooked. They are edible. In fact, not only can the petals be used for flavoring drinks, topping salads, and making jams, peonies have a long medicinal history as well. Can I smoke peony? Cigarette for smoking using peony according to the present invention is dyed by mixing 0.50% by weight of the petal of the peony, 50 to 100% by weight of tobacco leaves, and then pulverized, filling the crushed mixture into tobacco paper when the filter on one side is done. Is peony good for skin? Peony's excellent brightening and firming properties keep skin healthy and renewed so skin stays glowing. The extract of petals has nourishing properties that act as a barrier to damage and moisturize the skin. Peony is gentle and doesn't interact with harsher ingredients like retinols or chemicals. What is red peony root? Red peony is one of 3 species of peony used in traditional Chinese medicine. When referring to red peony, the root of the plant is used in herbal preparations. Peony contains a unique compound called peonyflorin, which is believed to calm the nerves and reduce the incidence of muscle spasms. How do I know what type of peony I have? Bloom type is also used to identify a specific peony. Single peonies have a few broad petals in a single word around very large and visible stamens in the center of the flower. Japanese type blooms are similar to singles except the filaments of the stamen in the middle of the bloom are extremely large and prominent. What is the rarest peony? Fan-leaf peonies. The plant is also called Moravian peony. Fan-leaf peonies with their feathery foliage and deep red flowers are among the rarest peonies. How many species of peonies are there? There are 33 recognized species of peonies throughout the world and countless horticultural cultivars. Botanically, peonies are herbaceous, perennials, or small woody shrubs. Their leaves alternate along the stem of the plant and are deeply divided into many lobes. What are the most beautiful peonies? Only Scout, Red Charm, Miss America, Sarah Bernhardt, Felix Krauss, Paula Fay, Red Charm, Miss America, Sarah Bernhardt, Felix Krauss, Bargella, Coral Charm, Lady Alexander Duff, Miss America, Coral Sunset. What is white peony? White peony, technically named Paeonia lactiflora, is a flowering plant native to East Asia. It grows in many parts of the world, including China, Mongolia, and Siberia. It is also grown as a common garden plant in the northern United States. Other names for white peony include garden peony. What is the most common peony? The Lactiflora cultivars, which is the most common form of peonies and is commonly found in nurseries. This type of peony is native to China and produces side buds for a unique look. The hybrids, which are simply crosses between two or more species. Do peonies need sun or shade? Herbaceous peonies prefer at least 8 hours of full sun. They will grow in partial shade, but they will not flower as readily. The only expectations are some of the infrequently grown Asian woodland species which require part shade. Is peony good for acne? Peony helps balance estrogen. Signs of this include pimples on the chin and acne flares after ovulation. The cycles may be irregular with heavy bleeding and cramping. The combination of peony and licorice is a herbal treatment for the type of polycystic ovarian syndrome (PCOS) where excess androgens are an issue. Why is my peony not blooming? The most common reasons peonies fail to bloom are cultural: planting in too much shade and planting too deeply. Remember that peonies are tough and often survive for many years in not so ideal sites. However, if they fail to bloom one year, watch out, everyone notices. Where do peonies grow best? Peonies like full sun and will bloom best in warm, bright spots. Be sure to plant the flowers away from tall trees or thick shrubs as peonies do not like to compete with other plants for sunlight, food, or moisture. They must be grown in deep, fertile soil that is moisture rich and drains well.